In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a screencast in WordPress. By the end, you'll be able to showcase your content directly on your site. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Click the login button at the top right and select Continue with Google for a quick, secure login. Choose the account linked to your WordPress site and you'll land on your dashboard. Next, on the right panel under Quick Links, click Edit Site. This opens the editor where you can customize your pages. Now click the Add button in the top left corner to access the block editor. In the search bar, type Screencast and select the Screencast block from the options. And that's it. Your screencast is now embedded on your WordPress site. This is a great way to share video content and engage your audience. Remember to save your changes as you go, and consider testing your recordings to ensure everything looks perfect. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips. Happy screencasting!